The question is, which of the items listed below is not one of the software engineering layers? The options are process, manufacturing, methods and tools, and the correct answer is manufacturing, because manufacturing is not one of the software engineering layers, while all the other three options, process, methods and tools, are the three layers of software engineering. The process layer allows the development of software on time. It defines an outline for a set of key process areas that must be acclaimed for effective delivery of software engineering technology. That is the process layer of software engineering. The method layer, what does the method layer do? The method layer provides technical knowledge for developing software. This layer covers a broad array of tasks that include requirement analysis, design, coding, testing, and maintenance phase of the software development. The tools layer provide computerized or semi-computerized support for the process and the method layer. So all the three process, methods and tools are the three layers of software engineering, while manufacturing is not one of the software engineering layers.